What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So behind me here we got a buddy's DA that I'm working on. I just did a set of coil-on sleeves and stuff for him. The other issue that he's coming here for is his clutch cable is stretched a bit, so he's having a hard time getting it into gear a little bit. After driving it, the clutch is like kind of on the floor, the grab point. So he's got a new cable. I'm just going to show you guys how to put it in real quick. Hopefully you guys find this video a little useful. If you do, be sure to let me know in the comments below, leave a like on the video, and possibly subscribe if you're new to the channel. So let's get into this. Alright, starting off, we're going to come right in here. You don't have to take your battery out. I took it out just for visual purposes for the camera. So what you got here is your clutch cable. This cable right here. So pretty easy to take out from the engine compartment side. All you got to do is pull up on this cable and then loosen up that dial a bit. And then go ahead and slide it out from down there on the clutch fork. Then we're just going to unhook it from these brackets on the valve cover. Hanging out of the way. Now let's go under the dash. So I can't get this camera up there under the dash, but I got an extra pedal assembly so I can show you exactly what you're looking at. Pretty much you're going to follow up to the left side above your clutch pedal, and the cable just hooks on with a little hook like this. So you just got to wiggle the cable off, the little adapter piece off the end of the cable, and then finish pulling it through the firewall. So mind you, it is a little bit tricky. You got to kind of feed your fingers up through there to get the end of the hook right there through the little tube that goes right here. A little tricky, not hard. So here we got ourselves the new cable. Should be pretty much the same exact thing. Let's compare it with our old one. Let's get this opened up. Okay, there's the cables. Same length. The only thing that might give me an issue is this end piece here. It's a little bit different, but we'll see. Should work fine nonetheless. And installation exactly opposite of removal. So I'm going to feed in the firewall section first, and we're going to get that hooked up to the pedal first, and then we're going to come over here and hook it up to the transmission. Got it hooked up on the pedal assembly already, took 2 seconds. Once you feed it through that little hole, literally all you're gonna be doing is getting it in through the hole, and then you'll just have to stretch it out a little bit and hook it right over that pedal just like that. So with that all put back together, all you got to do is turn this dial right there, and that will adjust the tension on the cable. So just kind of set it up to where you feel it should be. Usually Hondas grab a little bit higher, depends on the clutch that you're using, but that is how you install that clutch cable. So if you guys found it useful, again, let me know in the comments down below, and I'm going to go ahead and put this battery back in, get this car back out on the road. It is way too hot for me to be doing this, but yeah. Anyways, guys, do chill out for you, but the rest, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.